Hello mga kabutoy! Welcome to my channel and welcome to my vlog. So basically, ito po yung first video ko when I decided to create a YouTube channel just to see po if I can go somewhere dito sa platform na to or to go along with the trend, just in case lang. So just a short introduction, bakit po vlog ni Botoy? So I am actually from Cantilan, Surigao del Sur, a part of Mindanao. And my father used to call me Botoy. Sa Cantilan po, yung Botoy means mataba. As you can see, mataba ako. So, yun po. Kaya I decided to call it Vlog ni Botoy para to be different rather than using my name, which is Ernie Navarro. So, yun po. So, basically, this vlog will be all about everything or anything. So, you will be expecting travel, places, games, funds, anything na pwedeng i-content. So, may expect niyo po dito sa vlog na to. And then, so basically, I am residing in Dubai. So, most likely I'll be visiting places in Dubai, letting you know of how to get there, what will be the cost, what to expect on that place. Of course, you will be seeing videos, sceneries, and all those. So, yun po may expect nyo dito sa vlog na to. Tapos mga katatawanan since I'm a very funny person according sa mga friends ko. And also, some tips, mga gagawin ko in my life para ma-share ko rin sa inyo, hoping to inspire na rin po. So, I don't want to make this long since introduction lang naman to. This is my first video. So, for today po, pupunta po kami sa Barako Grill sa Quwain. That's what I'm going to do for today's video. Itong Barako Grill po, it's making a lot of noise and it's making a lot of attention sa Filipino community dito sa UAE kasi there's a lot to expect and napaka-cool daw talaga ng place. And then also we get to see Quwain, kung ano ba talaga ba. The thing is that we're going there na gabi na. So, because our reservation, kailangan mo palang magpa-reserve to get there. So, our reservation is around 8:30 in the evening. So, of course, we actually decided na sana makapunta ng hapon doon para to see the place, para makapag-video ng maganda at may pakita sa inyo. But then again, sobrang init kasi summer dito sa Dubai. So, anyhow, bibisitahin po natin yung place na yun. I will inform you of things that you need to know to get there, what will be the cost, ano po yung food na available nila doon, ano po yung entertainment na may expect natin sa Barako Grill. And then, yep, so samahan niyo po kami in my first video dito po sa vlog ni Botoy. So ayan mga kabotoy, all set na po tayo heading to Barako Grill sa Quwain. Samahan niyo po ako. So basically po dito po ako nakatira sa Sharjah, UAE. So from here to Quwain, it would take me I think mga 45 minutes to 1 hour. Pero pag may changes po, depende po sa takbo, I will inform you po. So in this video, I will inform you of the distance, what's to expect there, kung magkukommute kayo, ano po yung sasakyan, ano po yung way doon. Sabi nila maganda pa talaga sa Barako Grill. So let's see, samahan niyo po ako.
few moments later.
Okay po mga kabutoy, nakarating na po tayo na hindi makita. Barako Grill. By the way, I'm with my sister. So ito po yung lugar. So ayan po. Barako Grill. Napaka-chill po mga kabutoy. Para lang siyang mga containers. Ito po yung entrance. Ito po yung neighborhood. Okay naman po ang parking. Hindi naman po mahirap. At saka hindi rin siya mahirap hanapin sa GPS. So tara, pasok po tayo. Hi Rafael.
Tuloy po kayo sa Barako Grill.
Okay. So yun po mga kabutoy, kakatapos lang pong kumain. Napakasarap ng food. Sobrang sarap. Tapos mura lang. So ipopost ko po dito sa video ko yung menu nila at yung mga prices ng mga pagkain. Napakasarap, napakagaling ng banda. Napakagaling. Kagaling ni ate kumanta. Napakaganda ng vibes sa loob. Friendly lahat ng mga tao. Tapos yung mga servers nila, sobrang ang babait. Tapos hindi yung tulad ng sa iba na hindi ka pinapansin, hindi namamansin. Punta kayo dito bro. Punta kayo dito mga kabutoy. Ang ganda-ganda dito.
A few inches later.
Ayan mga kabutoy, that concludes our travel to Barako Grill sa Quwain, and it was really very fun. And I can say na if you want to unwind or relax after a very long day and pagod sa trabaho, you can go there, you can relax, you can meet new friends, new people, and the place is really so cool. And one thing, napakamura po talaga nila doon. So as what I promised, I will inform you with the things that you need to know on how to get there. So basically in terms of commuting po, the only way for us is to get a bus from either Sharjah or Dubai, and then going to Quwain bus station, and then pwede na po kayong mag-taxi from the bus station towards Barako Grill. Lahat po ng mga taxi driver, they know the place at alam na alam po nila yun. And like me po, dahil may sasakyan po ako, so it took me roughly around 50 minutes to get there sa Barako Grill. And since mura lang naman ang gasolina dito sa UAE, so it's not really that much of expensive. 50 minutes po to get there. Yung pauwi po namin medyo mga nasa around 35 to 40 minutes na lang kasi walang traffic. So yun po. Napakamura po ng food nila doon. Imagine we had already isang malaking crispy pata, and we had sisig, we had buffalo wings, we had fried chicken, we had barbecue, and we had 4 rice, and we have 2 breezer, and Jack Daniel, and I think 3 pieces of sagut gulaman, and we only paid 600, roughly around 629 dirhams. Mag-expect lang po tayo na meron silang tourism fee, tourism fee, VAT, at saka meron silang service. Ano nga tawag nun? Yeah, something like that. And service. So, but it's minimal lang po. Konti lang po yung charge. And mag-expect lang po kayo ng maliit na bill. So, pumunta po kami doon. We were like 6 person. So, roughly around mga 100 dirhams to 120 dirhams each lang po. So, bisitahin niyo po mga kabutoy yung Barako Grill sa Quwain. I know I'm just new in this platform, but I assure you it really is a place to go to unwind, to relax, to enjoy, to sing, to dance, and to, be a little drunk. And yun po, salamat po. Thank you very much for accompanying me on my first video dito sa YouTube. I hope po na-enjoy niyo po. My purpose really is not to show to people that I've gone to these places, that I've went to these places. My purpose is to inform people that there is this such place that you can go to, and this is how it's going to be, ano po yung cost and how to get there. So maraming salamat po. This has been Butoy. Always remember po, isip ay pagyamanin, vlog ko po ay tangkilikin. Paalam, hanggang sa susunod.